喂，歡迎歡迎歡迎 ，kind of you to join me. Care for some tea? 嚟嚟，飲啲茶。
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smiley will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
But that can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. 但係 he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tu Jin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. 但係 anyone who indulges as he does lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve. And now you will give him a nudge. Over the edge.
Okay. How?
He is an immensely superstitious man. 好迷信㗎, obsessed with feng shui. He cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad. Very bad.
I like your style. I will.
Hey, what's your problem, kid? Mrs. Chen wants you to talk to me.
Hey, you broken?
She told me to tag along. Give you feng shui advice. Feng shui, ah. A lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah. I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and the supernatural. Want to make sure nobody I kill can hurt me. You know what I mean?
Goodbye, Mr. Chow. Have a nice day.
Nah, quite on schedule. He usually goes gambling at this time. Tu Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. How we getting through that gate?
We'll find a way in. Come on.
Okay. Wait, you think we can get over the wall with the neighbors?
Yeah, hello? Who's this?
We got a delivery for you?
Really? My husband didn't tell me. He better not have ordered something stupid from the internet again.
Wow, you got all kinds of skills, don't you, kid? Reminds me of myself when I was your age, but less salty. I bet you're smarter, but probably not as tough. I pulled a muscle, deal. I didn't even know I had a muscle there. That hurts like hell. Maybe I'll get a massage after this.
Hey, don't be creepy.
What? You never heard of a grand massage? Like a real one, not a sex one. Happens all the time. Just ask any professional athlete.
So, how's business?
To be honest, 真嘅? Pretty damn shitty.
Really? What happened?
I'm taking a break from the import-export gig.
How come?
Something went wrong. I don't really want to talk about it.
All right, suit yourself.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
The boss's dog got out. We don't find it before he comes back, and heads will roll.
Oh, shit. I haven't seen it.
How we getting through that gate?
Wait here. I'll open the gate from the inside.
He'll fucking tell me to wait here. bad kid.
All right, come on.
Wow, you're pretty and talented.
What?
I said you're pretty talented.
Oh, okay, sure. You too, Salty.
Hey, you want me to kick the door down? Hurry up, kid. I think I see a car. Silently, will you look at this place? Man, if I were him, I'd spend my money differently.
All right, Salty, you're the expert. What are we doing?
He tanked you, huh? We're fucking with his stuff to make it seem like there's ghosts that don't like him.
What about those vases?
Good idea. Maybe just leave 4. 4 isn't enough. It sounds the same as
I know 4 is bad, but shouldn't we try something else? We're some pretty unoriginal guys.
I almost felt bad about that. Okay, let's keep going. That thing there is supposed to bring good luck. If it disappears, well, that's not good luck.
He really buys into this hocus pocus shit?
You can't blame the guy. 2 Chin's got more money than taste. Wait. See that clock? Set the time 4:44 and unplug it. That'll freak him out. 4:44.
Yeah, this could work.
Oh yeah, his phone say is fucked now. Turn the piano so it faces the wrong way. I help, but I pull my crutch climbing over the wall. Hi la, my crutch isn't what it used to be. I'm at the law.搞掂啦. I think we're done here. Old 2 Chin's gonna freak. Either he think ghosts fucking with him, or he knows his home isn't secure. Hey, somebody coming. We better go.
Mr. Chow, is that you? Anybody in there?
What do we do?
Just hide. Stay calm.
The gate open when they left? Anybody in there?
Hey, is everything okay there?
Looks like Mr. South forgot to close his gate again.
I'm gonna get something to eat. You want anything?
You ordering food from the Golden Koi soon? I'll be right down.
They go.
2 Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. Ay-ya, deal! There's a camera.
Looks like we're on camera.
God, Tana. I hate how everyone got security cameras everywhere.
I already took care of that thing.
Oh shit, I think he's home. Get down.
Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. 我從來未試過咁㗎. Why didn't you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Fucking rodents, all of you. What is this? Look at this. How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think. Chulhaya!
Wait, the guard left their car. His jacket. Wait. Let's take the guard's car.
Nice.
Ah, damn well. I always wanted to get myself one of these.
One of these? Really?
Yeah, okay. Bad idea.
You're a strange guy, old salty crab.
Thanks.
Hey, I have a delivery here from the Golden Coin. Hurry up, I've been waiting for you
Nice
for
work,
hours.
kid. You got the salty style. Here comes in. See you later, kid.
Old salty style.